The first time I smelled smoke drifting through a summer night, I felt my chest tighten. The air was heavy, tinged with ash, and I could almost taste the fear behind the glow on the horizon. I remember staring out my window, wondering, why do wildfires happen? How could something so devastating begin with just a spark? I asked myself that question over and over. I pictured families evacuating with only minutes to spare, firefighters racing toward walls of flame, and the forest creatures fleeing through the darkness. The mystery weighed on me. Fires feel alive, unpredictable. But the truth has a rhythm, a chain reaction written into nature itself. Wildfires start with three ingredients: fuel, heat, and oxygen. Trees, dry grass, pine needles, and leaves become the fuel. Heat can come from lightning cracking across a dry sky or from the careless flick of a cigarette. Oxygen, always around us, feeds the hungry flames. It's like a kitchen recipe. Flour, sugar, and eggs become a cake. Fuel, heat, and air bake destruction. I thought about it like my morning commute. A single stalled car can trigger a traffic jam stretching for miles. In the same way, one spark can ripple through an entire forest, each tree passing the fire to the next, or like dominoes lined up across a living room floor. Tip one, and the fall doesn't stop until every piece has collapsed. Wildfires follow that same relentless chain, spreading with the wind as their invisible hand. But what shocked me was how conditions set the stage. When summers run hotter and drier, plants lose their moisture, becoming tinder waiting for a match. Picture a sponge left in the sun until it crumbles to dust. That's how forests feel in drought, ready to ignite at the slightest touch. Add a gust of wind, and the fire doesn't just crawl, it sprints, leaping from treetop to treetop like a runner passing a baton in a relay race. Before I understood this, I thought wildfires were accidents, freak events that happened out of nowhere. Now I see the hidden logic. They are born from a perfect storm of elements, each one silent until they come together. It changes how I look at the world. When I see a dry hillside in the heat of July, I no longer see stillness. I see potential energy, waiting for its spark. There's a deeper meaning, too. Wildfires remind me how quickly small things can grow out of control. An argument, a bad habit, a single careless moment. Just as prevention can stop a forest from burning, awareness can stop a problem before it consumes everything in its path. Nature teaches us that resilience isn't just about surviving the fire. It's about noticing the warning signs before it begins. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to more curious science questions.